This video will demonstrate how to use a new feature from the NC-Simul interface called Silent Simulation. In the current Esprit Edge project, I just finished programming the toolpaths for the right-hand side of the part. In the interest of efficiency, I'd like to validate the posted G-code up to this point in NC-Simul, while continuing to work on the left-hand side of the part inside Esprit. Just like in a normal process, launch the NC-Simul interface from within the Esprit ribbon. Verify that the automatic selections for the stock, part, tools, offsets, and G-code file are satisfactory, and enable the Silent Simulation slider. Click Export to create the job, which starts the G-code decoding and simulating process in the background. A notification window pops up, indicating when the process starts and finishes. The verification process is tracked by a status bar, and concurrently, I can remain in Esprit and work on additional programming strategies. The bar also displays a count of any decoding or simulation errors that it encounters. To review the specificity of the flagged items, start NC-Simul, open the project, and use the information window messages to navigate to the exact point in the G-code where they occur. It's quickly discernible that a toolpath is completely off the part, which indicates that I have made a user error when creating my toolpath strategies. It's best to find these programming mistakes still within the programming room, instead of when dry running a new process at the machine. It also becomes a skill leveling tool for new versus experienced CAM programmers. In this case, I forgot to turn on the Work Offset Transformation option for the last operation in Esprit. It can be fixed with both softwares still open, reproducing a new G-code into my current verification setup. Once posted, simply reload the ISO program in the NC-Simul project before running the simulation, which will verify that the new code is amended. Utilizing the Silent Simulation option allows you to multitask during programming and G-code verification, saving you initial time in the creation process and further time down the road during the machining execution.